Savers. Stay tuned to see how we got all this at Publix for a $2.44 Moneymaker. Did not have to pay anything for this today. $2.44 Moneymaker. Hey guys, so we're doing our first deal, which is the Crest deal. It's the Crest toothpaste. Sorry, I don't have it here. So this is the Crest toothpaste. Here is the, I'm getting the tartar protection and I'm getting the baking soda one. These are the 8.2 ounces and these are on BOGO for $2.87. So I've got my spreadsheet going. I want to show you what it looks like so far. So the Crest 8.2 ounces, you're going to get 6 of them, and because it's BOGO, it's going to be $1.44 for each of these. And even if you didn't have coupons, this is a really large thing of toothpaste for $1.44. So of course it's not $1.44, it's $2.87. So on the Publix app, there is a $5 digital coupon and a $3 digital coupon. So that's $8 in digital coupons, making this 64 cents for all 6 tubes of toothpaste. So that's like less than, well, it's about 10 cents per tube of toothpaste. Deal on the Splendia Stevia Liquid. My brother uses these, and I actually got this on a Moneymaker at Walmart because I think at Walmart they were like $3.58. So this is going to be a Moneymaker here as well. So these are on BOGO for $3.99. Now my store only has one. I'm going to pick up one, and we're not a true BOGO store, so you can just pick up one, which is going to be $2. And then I have a $2 off coupon, so that makes it totally free. And then there's a $2 off on IBOTTA. So they're paying me exactly $2 to buy this. Now it's a limit of 5, so if I could get more, I would, but they don't have any more today, so I might have to head into the Publix. But $2 Moneymaker on the Splendia Stevia. Another awesome Moneymaker, the Splenda, I guess you say Allulose, I'm not sure. These are $9.79. They are on BOGO. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up 2 of them. All right, so $9.79 when you pick up 2 of them. And then, so if you just bought one, it'd be $4.90 this week because I have a true BOGO store. I'm going to use 2 of these coupons here, $3 off. So I'm going to use 2 of those, so that's $6. And then I'm going to do 2 IBOTTA rebates because I have a limit of 5 on mine. So they are $2 for the IBOTTA rebate, so that's $4 in IBOTTA rebates. So taking off that $6 coupon, the $4 in IBOTTA rebates makes these a 20-cent Moneymaker. Very good deal. My brother will love these. Same deal on the monk fruit. You can do the same exact thing I just did using that $3 off coupon and the $2 on IBOTTA. Now, actually on IBOTTA, there's 5, limit of 5 for IBOTTA on these, and there's a limit of 5 on IBOTTA for these. So I'm going to mix and match. I'm going to get 3 of the allulose and then 2 of the monk fruits, and they'll all be like I said, a 20 cents Moneymaker. I'm so excited because I thought my store was pretty much out of all these 100 packets of the Splenda. These are $4.59. I don't know if that is like the BOGO price, but they are on BOGO, so let's just pretend like it's $4.59 because I'm not sure yet. But $4.59 for these, and I found these at the front of the store on a table. There was a whole bunch of them, and so you're going to get 2 of them at $4.59, and you're going to use this $4 off when you buy 2 sweetener items. It excludes the 50 count, so we're good because this is the 100 count. So it's just going to make these just 59 cents or 30 cents per box. Amazing. If it's different at the checkout, I will let you guys know. The funny thing about this is I don't wear contact lenses, and nobody in my family uses contact lenses, but I'm still going to get this because it's a really good deal, and you never know who needs this. So these are $10.49. They're on BOGO, so they're, you're going to buy 2 of them, and then you're going to use 2 of these $4 off coupons. So that's going to be $8 in coupons. This is going to make both boxes $2.50 or $1.25 per box. Amazing deal on these. Do not forget there's a printable breakdown in the description box, so you can see how I got all these deals. Just click on the link, print it off, and take it to the store. So the way it was a $2.44 Moneymaker was actually the yellow boxes of Splenda attached to my IBOTTA, giving me $8 in additional IBOTTA that I wasn't expecting. So that's a huge deal. So I went ahead and claimed that. So I was able to get $18 in IBOTTA credits today when I was only supposed to, I think, get 10. Also, I submitted my receipt to Fetch. Only got 25 points for the Publix receipt. So I wasn't, there was nothing on Fetch that I was able to get. Shopkicks or Swagbucks didn't have anything either. But I made $2.44 off this haul today. Make sure that you check your Crest digital coupons. Some people had an additional $1 coupon on their Publix app. So they had a $5, a $3, and a $1. I only had the $5 and the $1 on my app. And so I was able to get all this for $2.44 Moneymaker. So thank you, Publix and IBOTTA, for paying me to shop today. Awesome deals. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.